Hello again. So by referring to the previous video, I'm going to explain you the set and reset or latch and unlatch instructions that we have in the programming of the PLCs. So here in the first part of the program, we have the self-holding or sealing circuit for controlling the motor coil. I have introduced a second motor with the name of motor 2, and I'm going to use to insert two more networks into our program. Using the start push button, I'm going to set the motor number 2 on. So I'm going to turn it on and keep it on even if I release the start push button. So again, keep in mind that the start push button is a momentary switch here. So I'm going to add a coil here associated with motor 02. And if you click on the coil and here in the icons, select the set or reset or control M alternatively, you will see that the S character appears inside the motor coil. In the next rung of the program, I'm going to insert a negated contact and associate it with the stop. Then as the output of this rung, I will place again motor 02 coil, but this time I will set it to reset coil. So by clicking again, you can see that R appears inside the coil. Yeah? So in this way, whenever I press the start push button and release it, motor number 2 will be set, or it will be latched. And whenever I press the start push button, since it's a normally closed push button, momentary push button, and I'm here inserted inverted contact or negated contact. Whenever I press the stop push button, here I will have the true logic, and accordingly the motor number 2 will be reset. We can see the performance in real time in the simulation. By logging in and running it. So from the stop push button, we in the normal case, without pressing, we are receiving the true logic. And here you can see that in the negated contact, I'm receiving a false logic. And from the start, we receive false logic in the normal case. If I press and release the start push button, you can see that motor 1 is turned on using this self-holding piece of code. And motor 2 is turned on as well, because here I have used the set coil, which receives command from the start push button. Now if I press the stop push button, the logic here in the negated contact will become true, and then the motor number 2 will be reset. At the same time, the first motor will be reset as well, because here the logic continuity will be lost. That's what you see in this simulation. Yeah. So you can see that the first motor and motor number 2 are kind of working in the same behavior, but this time using the set and reset or latch and unlatch coil instructions that we have in the PLC programming. Okay, so again, that's it for this video. I hope this helps you to learn the idea of set and reset coils or latch and unlatch coils that we have. Thanks again for watching.